pursuing automotive engineering and related courses from Machakos Institute of Technology got a rare opportunity to experience the future of heavy vehicle technology during an exclusive educational tour at Scania East Africa's Nairobi workshop.
I will guide you. Sawa? From there tutaenda kwa parking lot. Go see the vehicles.
The tour opened doors to real-world industry exposure featuring hands-on training in heavy vehicle maintenance and diagnostics, engine systems and transmission servicing, braking systems demonstrations, use of modern diagnostic tools, workshop safety and best practices, customer service and fleet management insights.
But for us, service incorporates workshop, repairs, maintenance not the service. So, we also have driver services, fleet management, and finance.
Led by expert Scania engineers and technicians, the interactive session gave students invaluable skill aligned with global automotive standards, bridging classroom knowledge with industry expectations.
Kama uko na garage, unakuja uko na garage na mtu umchunge sana.
Na 3, 4, na 6, kuna 8.
You can interact with us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and X. So, at Scania East Africa.
The event was proudly covered by Crowdwave Marketing Agency, MIT's official partner in marketing, branding, and publicity.